Hello students, how are you? Today I will teach you phonic sound. Do you know what is phonic sound? I tell you, each letter has a different sound which is called phonic sound. With the help we learn easy reading. Okay, are you ready? A. Okay, A. Phonic sound of A. A. Apple. A apple. Phonic sound of B. B. Ball. Ball. Phonic sound of C. Cat. C. Cat. Okay. Now D. Phonic sound of D. D. Dog. Phonic sound of E. Egg. Phonic sound of F. Fish. Phonic sound of G. Grapes. Now phonic sound of H. Hen. Hen. Okay. Phonic sound of I. Igloo. Igloo. Okay. Phonic sound of J. Jug. Jug. Phonic sound of K. Kite. Now phonic sound of L. Lion. Phonic sound of M. Mango. Phonic sound of N. Nest. Nest. Okay. Phonic sound of O. Orange. Orange. Okay. Now phonic sound of P. Parrot. Parrot. Okay. Now phonic sound of Q. Queen. Queen. Phonic sound of R. Rat. Rat. R. Rat. Okay. Phonic sound of S. Sun. Sun. Okay. Now phonic sound of T. Tub. Tub. Okay. Phonic sound of U. Umbrella. Umbrella. Phonic sound of V. Van. Van. Okay. Now phonic sound of W. Watch. Watch. Phonic sound of X. X-ray, X-ray. Phonic sound of Y, ya, yak, Y, ya, yak. Okay. Phonic sound of Z, z, zoo, z, zoo. ओके, तो ये थे आपके इंग्लिश अल्फ़ाबेट साउंड्स. हैव टू प्रैक्टिस इट.